Hey there, guys. Chet here. Today, we're doing a simple and clear comparison of Shopify and Dukaan so that you can understand which one is better for your online store. I'll walk you through their features, ease of use, customization, integrations, and pricing in a way that's easy to follow. But before we start, let me give you a special offer. If you want to build your Shopify store the right way, check the link below for a 3-day Shopify free trial, plus the $1 per month offer. You'll also get my complete Shopify course so that you can set everything up with confidence. Now, let's get started. First off, a quick overview of both platforms. Shopify is well known. It's an e-commerce platform used by millions of businesses across the world. It comes with lots of tools, tons of apps, and gives you the flexibility to build almost any kind of online store. On the other hand, Dukaan is a newer platform focused on helping beginners and small businesses start selling quickly. It keeps things simple and removes the usual tech headaches. When it comes to features, Shopify offers a huge set of tools. You get inventory management, product variants, discount options, abandoned cart recovery, advanced reporting, and a massive app store where you can add almost anything. It works great for growing businesses that might need more control. Dukaan is simpler but very fast to set up. It covers the basics like product listings, order tracking, simple marketing tools, WhatsApp sharing, SEO basics, and digital product selling. It doesn't try to overwhelm you, which is perfect for people who want the easiest path to start selling. Let's talk about user experience. Shopify has a clean dashboard because it offers so many features, right? It can feel a little confusing at first. You might need some time to learn everything. Dukaan is made for speed. You open it, add your product, set your payment method, and you are ready to go. It's one of the fastest platforms to launch a store on, and that's a big win for beginners. When it comes to design and customization, Shopify is light years ahead. You get many themes, deep editing options, and the ability to change almost every part of your store. If you want a unique design, Shopify makes it possible. Dukaan doesn't offer the same level of customization, but the themes that it does provide are clean, modern, and mobile friendly. They focus on speed and simplicity instead of heavy design changes. Let's talk about integrations. Shopify supports literally thousands of apps and tools for marketing, payments, shipping, automation, and a lot more. This means that you can scale your business easily. Dukaan has fewer integrations, but still covers all the basics that most small businesses need. You get payments, you get payment gateways, shipping partners, analytics tools, and simple marketing add-ons. Now, pricing. Dukaan offers a free plan, which is free. Now let's compare pricing. Dukaan offers a free plan, which is 0 rupees per month. The starter plan is 299 rupees per month, a growth plan at 999 rupees per month, and an infinity plan at 5,999 rupees per month. Now, Shopify's basic plan starts at $25 per month. The Shopify plan, the growth plan, is $65 per month. The advanced plan is $399 per month, and the plus plan is $2,300 per month. So which one is right for you? If you want a powerful online store with lots of features and advanced options, Shopify is the better choice. But if you want something simple, fast, and beginner-friendly, Dukaan is a great option. It really just depends on what your business needs are. All right, that's it for today's video. If you want to start your Shopify store today, check the link below. You unlock the 3-day Shopify free trial, the $1 per month offer, and my full Shopify course that takes you from setup to launch. Now, if this video helped you, please be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. As always, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.